Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another episode. I'm here in Hugyu Sheep Farm in Lampang, and as you can see, there's a lot of animals here. So let's zoom into that. There's a duck for you. Hugyu Sheep Farm in Lampang Province. So there it is, guys. Okay. It's a very beautiful sheep farm. We're gonna walk around, take a look at the sheep, and play with the animals today. So. Tickets were 30 baht. 30 baht each, okay? Hugyu Sheep Farm. There's not a lot of people here today. At Hugyu Sheep Farm. It's very beautiful, as you can see. Hello ครับสวัสดีครับตัวนี้โอเคตัวนี้เล่นได้ใช่ไหมตัวนี้เล่นได้แล้วก็ตัวนี้เล่นได้จ้าโอเคนมใช่ไหมโอเคโอเค
คูปองมาแลก
จ้าโอเค
เอา
ตัวนี้เล่นได้ใช่ป่ะโอเคฝั่งนู้นโอเคจ้า There's a sheep right there, guys. Okay, I'm gonna give it some milk now. So I got the milk here for 20 baht. Come here, little guys. They really want the milk. Hey, guys. How are you? Okay, I'm gonna give it milk now, okay? Okay, I'm gonna feed it milk. Okay. Watch me, guys. Hey, guys. Okay, come closer, okay. Come closer, okay. Hey, what's your name? What's your name, huh? Come closer, okay, let me see. Okay, let me see the LCD better. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give it some milk now. You ready, guys? Okay. Come closer. Okay, you see, this is how we feed it milk to okay. Very thirsty. Want some? It's very thirsty. Okay. Now I'm gonna feed it some wheat now. Okay. So I'm gonna return the bottle, and I'm gonna feed it some wheat now. This over here, right? Okay. Thank you. Let's go inside down. I'm gonna feed it some wheat. Okay. Okay, come here. Hold on. Come here. Okay, you see? This is how we feed it. Okay. One by one, you guys. I'm being attacked. Let me take off my backpack.
เอาไว้ตรงนี้ก็ได้ค่ะ
Let me take off my backpack. Oh, okay. Let Let me take off my backpack. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm gonna feed the sheep. Okay, watch me. ไม่กัดใช่ไหมครับ
ไม่ค่ะ
โอเค
ใจเย็นๆลูกแล้วกันต้นเดินไปตรงมุมสวยๆก็ได้นะคะ ตรงหน้าป้ายก็ได้
Okay. Okay. ภาษาไทยเนื้อแก่ใช่ไหมครับ เนื้อแก่ใช่ไหมครับผม In Thai they say เนื้อแก่ in English we say sheep มีตรงนี้แล้วก็มีตรงนี้อย่างเดียวใช่ไหม
ค่ะ
สอง
มี
อย่าง
ข้างในนู่นมีกวาง
แล้วก็ข้างใน
แพะ
ข้างใน
เดิ
มีมากกว่าใช่ไหมแล้วก็ดันเล่น
ค่ะ
โอเค
เดินเล่นได้
ตัวนี้เป็นผู้ชายหรือผู้หญิง
ผู้หญิงค่ะผู้ชายก็มี
มีผู้ชายแล้วก็มีผู้หญิงด้วยโอเค Boy and girls mixed okay guys They just took it right from my hand Okay you have to try this next time okay you have to try yeah white tea ก่อน white tea ก่อน and then you yesไม่กัดใช่ไหม
ไม่ค่ะ
ประมาณอายุเท่าไหร่ครับประมาณ5 ปี
มันมี
3 ปี
ค่ะมี5 ปี3 ปีปีกว่า2 ปี
โอเค
สลับกันไป
ประมาณ2 years to 7 years Okay now let me wash my hands over here แล้วก็เดินเล่นตรงนี้ก็ได้ใช่ไหม
ค่ะ
จ้า
ไปถ่ายรูปมีที่ถ่ายรูป
ถ่ายรูปโอเค Let me wash my hands because you have to wash your hands because of COVID guys okay guys now let's walk around a little bit she said they have some animals over here okay
ถ้าอยากป้อนอะไรซื้อเพิ่มได้นะคะอย่าง
เพิ่มได้ใช่ไหมโอเคจ้าเพิ่มได้ใช่ไหมโอเค Okay now let's see the animals what they got over here now then walking then เล่นโอเคIt's a very beautiful experience, guys. I highly recommend that you come here. Welcome to a new episode. Hey, you tubers and tubettes. Let's walk around, see what else they have here at the sheep farm in Lampang province. Okay, here's your chicken. Let's take a look at your chicken here. Chicken, fries, chicken. Okay, here's your KFC. KFC. Chuck, 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 chuck. Chuck, 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 chuck. Cannot open the door, it's locked. But there's your chicken, guys. Now let's see what they have over here. They have something over here. And I'm gonna stop the video 1 minute, okay? Let's see what they have over here. Hugyu Sheep Farm, Lampang. 30 baht, guys. You can't go wrong. I think that's a goat. Let's go take a look over here now. They have all sorts of animals here. Wow. Hey, what's up, guy? What's up? What's your name? What's your name, huh? What's your name, huh? Hello, hello. I think these are goat. Yeah, I'm gonna be stopping the video now because I have a lot of places to do. Say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next episode, okay? Bye-bye. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye. Say goodbye. Okay.